Once upon a time, a little elf lived in a mystic forest, protecting the realm. The little elf wearing black sets off once being summoned. It has super senses to detect everywhere. Its job is to hunt down and seize dirty monsters. Even for the monsters hiding in the dark, the little elf always finds and captures them. More amazingly, the little elf has a special tower to keep those monsters from getting out. And the little elf is very smart. It will never disturb the restricted areas outside of the forest. The little elf brings the family joy, for it is so kind to animals and children.
That's the little elf.
Of course, but not very often.
I'm gonna do it my way. You know I'm gonna do it my way. Don't stop, you know I got the high grade. Top down, rolling down the highway. Forever be a renegade. You know I'm gonna do it my way. You know I'm gonna do it my way.
Alexa, ask DreameBot to start vacuuming.
You know I'm gonna do it my way. 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 You know I'm gonna do it my way.
It's ironic, I get it. I wrote the song in a second and there ain't nothing I can't do. It's all just waiting to stop and get clever. Follow your pedal, pedal, pedal.
We never stop innovating. We push the boundaries and strive to be better. We bring you tomorrow's robots today. DEEBOT X1 OMNI, the brand new all-in-one DEEBOT from Ecovacs. Okay, Eco, let's get to know my home.
Okay, I am coming. I am creating the map for your home now.
The Pioneer IV3D, enhanced recognition capability, equipped with supercomputing power, achieving accurate obstacle avoidance at home.
Mapping is complete. Please check the app. I will keep learning and improving by updating obstacle avoidance data. More efficient every time.
Okay, Eco, follow my voice.
No problem. I will start cleaning now.
The exclusive 4-stage deep cleaning system with 5,000 paw suction power. The second generation of Osmo Turbo technology. Scrub away tough coffee stains, even after 72 hours. Unleash the ultimate cleaning power. A masterpiece perfectly crafted by Jacob Jensen Design. The all-in-one Omni station can automatically refill water, wash and dry mop cloths, and empty the dust bin.
The DEEBOT automatically refills its water tank. Start cleaning mopping pads. Start emptying the dustbin.
DEEBOT X1 Omni. Finally, a truly hands-free cleaning experience.